In this question, we are asked to find the derivative of y with respect to x using the product rule. Ladies and gents, we need to do this. Ne? We need to firstly assign our parts. So remember, we use u and v. Ne? The first function, I'll call it u. So my u would be, So my u would be the first function, which is this one. 3x squared, right? And then the derivative of u would be 6x, because it's 2 times 3, which is 6, and then 2 minus 1. Then the second function, I'll call it v. So v is pi to the power of x. This is an exponential equation. This is an exponential equation because x is the exponent. We need to be careful here when we differentiate it. This is how we do. The derivative of v, you always write it the same way it is first. So which is pi to the power x. And then you multiply it by ln of the base. So ln of the base is pi, you see, so you have ln pi. You multiply it by the derivative of the exponent. The derivative of x is 1. I'm going to repeat, guys, so that it makes sense. You always repeat it first. So I repeated it. And then my base is pi. So I times by ln of the base. So you just write ln, whatever the base is. And then you multiply by the derivative of the exponent. The exponent is x. So the derivative of x is what? Is 1. I hope that makes sense. And we can see that this will just simplify to the derivative equals to pi to the power x ln pi, because times 1 doesn't make an effect. All right, and the product rule tells us that y prime is equals to the derivative of u times v plus u times the derivative of v. All right, now let's plug in our pieces. The derivative of u, we said is 6x. So we plug in 6x here. We times it by v, which is pi to the power of x. Our v is pi to the power of x, and then we have a plus u, which is 3x squared. All right, and then we multiply it by the derivative of v. The derivative of v is this, which is times pi to the power x ln pi, you see, or ln pi. And you can leave it just like that, or factor out the common factor of 3x pi to the x if you want to be extra neat. But this right here will get you 5 full marks. Thank you very much.